the mess. I'm in the middle of cleanup here. You see, boy, the circus is closed right now.
No way! Really? I wanted to see the circus.
I'm confused.
What's the matter?
It appears he came to this village to see the circus. But with all the villagers turned into pigs, we're just not set up to run the circus. The clown is particularly popular.
No way! I'm not leaving until I see the circus clown.
I understand how the kid feels, but even the clown has been turned into a pig and has no confidence. But if he could just get his confidence back.
I guess it's too hard for one person to do. Hey, just what I need! You guys busy? Yeah, I'm sure. You just have that nothing to do. I want to practice a new trick. But it's too dangerous for one person.
Actually, there's a boy who wants to see the clown circus.
What? At any rate, I won't know what I can do until I try. But I can't do it in front of the others. Alright, let's get started.
Pushy, fellow.
Ready? First, take this. I'm going to be practicing on this rope. If I fall, try to catch me on that mat. Ready? Here I go! I'm counting on you. I really detest pain, you know. I'm counting on you. Hey, I did it! This is it! The new trick I was trying for! Oh, thank you! I got a little confidence back! Oh yeah! There's a child waiting for me, right?
Yes, the old man with him looked upset too.
I saw him from atop the rope. It looks like the pig tribe just doesn't get along well with the kid.
evil pigs to look like pigs?
Oh, that's true about us. But the pig tribe has always looked like pigs. They're smart and know a lot.
Tombi, do you think they would know about the evil pigs too?
All right. Well, I have to go entertain the little guest. You can come too if you like.
I saw the clown tightrope walking. He was great.
You did, huh? I can do that. Look.
Wow, great! Marvelous!
That's all I know right now. I know, a flying peon. Wanna see one?
Huh? A peon's here? Yes, let's go see it.
Hey, wait! You'll get lost! Kid. Thank you! A child's laughing face is better for me than any medicine.
You've really been a help. I've got to pay you back somehow.
Well, we want to ask a question about the evil pigs.
Okay, I understand. Let's go down to our pavilion. I'll tell you what I can there.
Pretty cool! It is isn't often that the pig tribe invites others to their pavilion.
Mr. Clown, hurry! Hurry up!
I'm coming! I'm on my way now! See you later!
You've been a big help. I've been waiting for you. First, let me express my gratitude. Thank you. With your help, the village clown has regained his confidence. What I wanted to ask about was the evil pigs.
Yes, of course. Our dear friend was kidnapped by the evil pigs.
Flame, ice, goat. I see you have already acquired 3 pig bags. As you know, you can't find an evil pig hiding place unless you own the right pig bag. If you don't know which evil pig kidnapped your friend, you'll have to fight them all. Do you understand? We understand. We have to get 2 more pig bags. Pig bags are always found in magically cursed